Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change player skill settings in Road to Glory in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just go and select Road to Glory and simply start your Road to Glory. Once you do that, you'll just able to see the you can say RTG Center tab at the last. So you need to select RTG Central tab on the top menu and just select the option Gameplay Sliders, and once you select that option you should be able to see player skill. So right here you'll able to adjust the sliders for QB accuracy, pass blocking, WR catching. Also you have sliders for CPU skills as well. So simply you can adjust the sliders according to your preference. Even you can import custom sliders as well by pressing Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. To save the changes you just have to hit the back button and the changes will be saved for your Road to Glory automatically. So yeah guys, that's pretty much of it. This is exactly how you'll able to change player skill sliders in Road to Glory in College Football 27. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.